Hello everyone, my name is Nathan Phipps. I'm a consultant with Wiglaf Pricing, and today I'm going to teach you how to create a scatter plot. Scatter plots are one of the fundamental pricing analysis tools that you have in your toolbox. So today I'm going to show you what a completed scatter plot looks like in Microsoft Excel. I'm going to show you how to go about creating that scatter plot, and then I'm going to introduce a few concepts that you want to keep in mind when you are using your scatter plots. Now, the scatter plot, what it essentially is, you are going to be taking a look at your pocket price by a specific market variable. And one thing that you have to ask yourself when you're choosing whether to use a scatter plot or a box plot is whether that market variable you have is continuous or discrete. If it's continuous, that means that you can picture all of the possible values along a continuous number line. For instance, price is considered a continuous variable because you can have values between $10 and $100 and all of those increments in between. You have a continuous number line that goes from one value to the other, and you have all of the values in between. In a case like that, you would generally want to use a scatter plot. On the other hand, if you have discrete variables that you are trying to visualize, these are marketing variables that don't necessarily exist from smallest to largest. Think more of buckets or bins that you have in your data. For instance, if you're trying to compare differences between regions in your data, the North region, the South region, the West region, those would be discrete variables that you would want to use a box plot for, just because you can put those into separate buckets that are completely separate from each other, completely unrelated to the other possible values. So just do keep that in mind. Take a look at what type of data you are trying to graph. If it's continuous, use a scatter plot. If it's discrete, make sure you use a box plot.